English Book Class 9 New. Unit 2 Patriotism. Question and answer. Question in the lesson. Question number 1. What is the origin of the word patriot? Answer. The word patriot comes from the Latin word *patriota, meaning a person who loves his country. Question number 2. What are the supreme values of a patriot? Answer. A patriot holds supreme values like sacrifice, honesty, responsibility, and loyalty to the nation. Question number 3. Why did Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah want to secure a separate homeland for the Muslims? Answer. He wanted a separate homeland for Muslims to live freely according to their religious and cultural values. Question number 4. Which wars have been mentioned in the text where soldiers laid down their lives for Pakistan? Answer. The wars of 1965, 1971, and 1999 are mentioned in the text, where Pakistani soldiers sacrificed their lives for the country. Question number 5. Who is awarded Nishan-e-Haider in Pakistan? Answer. Nishan-e-Haider is Pakistan's highest military award for soldiers who show extraordinary bravery and sacrifice. Conceptual questions. Question number 1. How do you personally define patriotism? Can you provide an example from your own life or community that illustrates your definition? Answer. Patriotism means working sincerely for the betterment of the country. For example, a community cleanup campaign illustrates this love for the nation. Question number 2. Why do you think Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah's efforts were crucial in securing a separate homeland for the Muslims? Answer. His leadership united Muslims and provided a clear vision that led to the creation of Pakistan. Question number 3. Why do you think the soldiers, mentioned in the text, are considered heroes? What qualities do they show? Answer. They are heroes because of their bravery, commitment, and selflessness in sacrificing their lives for the country. Question number 4. How can the spirit of patriotism be maintained and fostered in today's society? Provide examples of modern acts of patriotism. Answer. By participating in elections, obeying laws, supporting local products, and spreading positivity about the country on social media, the spirit of patriotism can be maintained. Question number 5. What do you think S.W. Scott means by a man devoid of patriotic spirit? Do you agree or disagree with this perspective? Why? Answer. Scott suggests that such a person lacks moral strength. I agree, as patriotism inspires courage, sacrifice, and unity. Question number 6. How can schools teach students about patriotism? Why is it important for students to learn about it? Answer. Schools can teach students about patriotism by celebrating national events, sharing hero stories, and involving students in community service, fostering love and responsibility for the country. Question number 7. Can you think of a small act of patriotism that someone could do every day? How does this help the country? Answer. Small acts like not littering and conserving resources help build a cleaner and stronger nation. Question number 8. What did you learn about patriotism from the text? Answer. From the text I learned that patriotism means love for one's country, shown through loyalty, sacrifice, and efforts for its progress and protection.